doing a follow-up, changing out this motor. Said there was smoking. Probably got wet. So I pre-drill all the holes because it makes the threads in them. Got a zip tie and add some silicone. Add a little silicone on it, nice and good, because they pour water down in here in the night to clear the drain. So there'll be water getting in there. Hopefully that helps. Putting some new wire nuts, new connections. A lot better. Do the same thing with this one. Put electrical tape like that. And then one more layer. So got them both electrical tape. The same way. And I'll try to zip tie them up so they don't rub out on anything. Already at temperature. So I wanted to come up the top, check the receiver level. It's a little low. Have a lot of oil residue. See if I can find it. Wiped it all down. Moved off the dirt. Now let's see if I get a hit. Before. No, not getting nothing there. Shredder's leaking. The spot that I was thinking of leaking from. I sprayed everything down. I finally found it. Down. Make sure it pumps down. Looks like they have a contactor right here going out. I don't know if you can hear that noise. System A. Walk-in cooler. Tell where they missed it. Big blue. Topped off the receiver level 50%. It's all good. See, we're starting to rust out. So I'm going to have to follow up to replace the sight glass and the dryer. Time to change up the System A contactor. I don't like the way they have those connections with the fork connector. Remove that. Energized, nice and good. It's not making no humming noise no more. All good. Follow up.